Hi Ark fans, welcome to Ark Invest Daily, your daily dose of Ark information. Today, in 5 minutes or less, we'll try to cover May 3rd trades of Ark. And in highlights today, we have one new company added, and its name is Stone. To find out more about it, please stay with me. I'll show you how much they added and what this company is all about. And then in the biggest moves, we see Twitter again, and Roblox, and some more companies. So stay with me, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side for more information. Hi friends, in our summary section, we keep an eye on high-level numbers like market value, ending in 46.8 billion today, which is not good at all, down 3.4% compared to not yesterday, Friday. End of day, it was 48.5 billion, and today it's 46.8 billion. We'll figure out which company caused the biggest damage. And you might have guessed it, it's one of the top 5, obviously, the ones that they're most invested in. And this is the percentage of each of the ETFs that they have, total 8 ETFs. So $46.8 billion is divided like this. ArcX, Space Exploration, for example, is 1.4% of this number. Now, total number of companies has gone up by 1 from 271 to 272, and we'll figure out which company it is. Actually, the company name is Stone, but we'll figure out what's the position, how much money they have invested in it, and what is this company all about. So that's our summary. Let's go to the biggest moves quickly. So today the threshold is just 10%. Any companies that have their shares added by 10% or reduced by 10% or less, or more, will get captured here. So these are the companies that fit that criteria, and this is the ranking of those companies in 272 companies. So let's take a look. Roblox is topping the chart in terms of percentage of shares bought, 31% extra shares bought, 224,000 shares, and it basically costed them $13.4 million. So this is not the biggest move by market value. It's the biggest move by percentage of shares for sure, 31% extra. And when I hover over these bar charts, you will see more information. So for example, you see it is present in only ArcW, and the shares trend count and stock price count. It is $71.10. So because it has dipped, I think they're buying the dip there. This company IPO'd sometime last month, and they invested on the very first day. Zimmergen is another one where they bought more shares, 15% extra, 66,000 shares. It's present in ArcG, upward trend of shares, and market value is also up, but more recently down. So that's Zimmergen. Twitter is present in 2 ETFs, and they bought 10.8% extra shares today, taking the total shares to 8.71 million. So 850,000 shares extra bought today, which costed them 41.4 million. So this is the biggest move by market value. Fastly is another one that they were invested since quite some time, actually, sometime last year, and they bought 146,000 extra shares there as the stock price continues to go down a little bit in past 3 or 4 days. So they've bought more, buying the dip there, I guess, again, costing them 6.1 million. So in terms of negative, Thermo Fisher Scientific, they continue to reduce position in this. It is their 126 rank, and Twitter, by the way, was 28 rank. Here, the stock price is continuing to go down, but not by a lot, but they continue to reduce the position. Maybe they think it has had enough run, and they're getting rid of it. Pekar also keeps popping up. They continue to reduce position in that as well, present in 2 ETFs. Teledyne Technologies, wow, they have been keeping constant position and then reduced today by 20% all of a sudden. Rank 103, and the stock price has gone quite a bit up, but lowering down in past 2 days a little bit. Feracia also keeps popping up as they continue to reduce more and more position there, present in RG, and stock price is $50.60. So those are biggest moves by shares. Let's take a look at biggest move by market value. So the threshold here is $50 million, and the biggest effect is by Tesla. So stock price going down to $684.90, and they trimmed the position also a little bit, 1.1% looks like. Teladoc Health is the second biggest that got affected. 153.4 million as stock price goes down. They have also trimmed position by just 0.9% though. Baidu again going down quite a bit, and they have trimmed the position by a lot, almost 10%. Almost 10%. That's why it did not show up above. Otherwise it would, because the threshold is 10%. It did not. Twist Biosciences going down again. They're trimming the shares as well. Shopify trimming a little bit, just 1%. Stock price goes down. CRISPR Therapeutics trimming position by 1%. Stock price down a little bit. Exact Sciences again trimming the position there also. And Roku trimming the position 1.9%. They are present in two ETFs. Pacifica Biosciences, they continue to trim that as well. And Zillow, they continue to trim that too, present in three ETFs. So that's all red today, guys. Maybe let's try to reduce this threshold even further. Let's see if something else pops up. Okay, so yeah, Galileo is a company that they invested in yesterday, or on Friday actually. That was the new company, new SPAC. GLEO is the ticker symbol. It's a 3D printing SPAC again, 3D merging with a 3D printing company. So they added a lot of shares there too. Recursion, Pinduoduo, and UiPath is one amazing company, robotics platform, automation platform, present in 6 ETFs. Can you believe that? 6 ETFs. They invested in it very recently as well, and they continue to buy more and more. Rank 57, rank 59. So those were the biggest moves today, guys. And let's take a look at overall picture. Very red today, led by Tesla. As we saw, this is green, which is Twitter. Yeah, they bought a lot of Twitter. So this is how the overall picture looks like Friday minus today. Let's take a look at the new company. Yep, finally, StoneCo is the new company. STNE. It provides point of sale solutions to any businesses. So its headquarters are in Brazil. So it's a Brazil company, I think. I have to do more research on this, but feel free to check it out. STN is the ticker symbol. They started a position in ARK F FinTech, $15 million invested in that. Stock price $63.98, 2 million shares bought. So that was your daily dose, guys. Thank you so much for listening in, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.